You want to make money today. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now, within the next few hours. Forget the complicated business plans, the endless market research, and the excuses that have held you back. This guide is your no-nonsense, straight-to-the-point blueprint for immediate action. We're not talking about building a long-term empire in a single day. We're talking about putting actual cash in your pocket before your head hits the pillow tonight. This is about proving to yourself you can change your financial situation right here, right now. The words are simple. The steps are clear. The only thing required is your decision to act. The goal is singular and direct. Execute a plan that generates income today. This isn't about wishing or hoping. It's about doing. Waiting is a choice. And for too long, it's been the default. Today, you choose action. One small, tangible victory breaks the cycle. Let's get to it. Before we dive into the specific methods, we need to address the single biggest obstacle you'll face: your own mind. You might feel tired, you might feel scared, you might feel uncertain, you might feel overwhelmed, you might think, this won't work for me. I don't have time. These feelings are normal, but they are the very excuses that keep you stuck. The no excuses mindset isn't about ignoring the feelings, it's about acting in spite of them. Choose to do one small thing anyway. One tiny action. Posting one item for sale. Sending one email. That beats hours of analysis paralysis. Stop worrying about the perfect strategy. Your goal today is progress, not perfection. Action creates clarity. You won't figure it out by thinking, you'll figure it out by doing. Learn what sells by posting something. Learn demand by offering one service. This is, without a doubt, the fastest and most accessible way for almost anyone to make money today. You're sitting on a small gold mine, unused items people want to buy right now, your old smartphone, the jacket you haven't worn in a year, the stack of books collecting dust, the kitchen appliance still in its box, not junk, assets waiting to be liquidated. Do it from your living room. First, stand up and find 3 things you no longer use. Don't overthink it. Pick the first 3 you see: a video game, a piece of furniture, some workout equipment. Step 2, prepare them for their close-up. Quick wipe down. Take clear, well-lit photos. Shoot from multiple angles. A good photo is half the sale. Step 3, post your listing. Simple, honest description: brand, size, condition, price. Price slightly lower to sell fast. Goal: cash today. Use local marketplaces for speed. List in the morning, cash by afternoon. Many people in small businesses nearby need help with tasks they can't do or don't have time for. You can be the solution today. Local gig work pays immediately. Often no special skills, just reliability. Simple jobs: mowing a lawn, walking a dog, helping move furniture, cleaning a garage, or running errands. Step 1, pick one service. Strong, offer moving help like pets, dog walking, meticulous, car washing, house cleaning works too. Step 2, advertise where locals look. Nextdoor and community boards. Step 3, respond immediately. Confirm details. Be punctual. Stand out with before and after photos. Over-deliver slightly. Get paid same day. Cash, Venmo, Cash App, or Zelle. A job done well today becomes repeat work and referrals. You have a skill someone will pay for right now. Shrink the service to 1-2 hours. Think small, think fast, think high value. A 150-word LinkedIn bio, a clean social post graphic, proofreading a short email, a 30-second voiceover, a few minutes of data entry. Be specific. I will write 3 social captions for your business in 1 hour. Price your first gig low, $10 to $15, to land that first review. The first review beats the first payment. Post a crystal clear offer on Fiverr or your socials. Upwork's project catalog works for fixed, small tasks. Tell your network exactly what you do and how fast. I will design a pro email signature in 1 hour for $10. Deliver fast and professionally. Use templates to speed up. Prepare a few base templates to customize. After delivery. If you're happy, a quick review helps a ton. That social proof makes the next sale even faster. Your first dollar from a microservice can arrive in just a few hours if you price competitively and promise rapid delivery. If you have a car, a scooter, or even a bicycle, you have a mobile business asset ready to be activated today. The on-demand economy pays people willing to drive, deliver, or shop for others. Your job: tap into the system. It's reliable income on your schedule. Pick one platform, Don't sign up for 5 at once. Prefer food delivery? Start with a food app. Comfortable with passengers? Try rideshare. Enjoy grocery shopping. Instacart works. Approvals can be fast. Once approved, go online and accept the first reasonable order. Keep your car clean and phone charged. Hi, this is your driver. I've picked up your order, ETA 8 minutes. Professionalism increases tips. Many platforms let you cash out instantly for a small fee. Work peak hours, lunch, dinner, morning and evening commutes, position near busy zones. Friendly efficiency turns into higher tips. Your first dollar can arrive within an hour. There's a hidden corner of the internet where companies pay small amounts for simple tasks. Watching short videos, categorizing images, transcribing snippets, testing sites, answering surveys. Turn idle scrolling into productive cash-earning time. Start with reputable sites only. Mturk, Prolific, Swagbucks. Avoid too good to be true promises. Fill your profile to match better-paying tasks. Begin with easy tasks to learn and build rating. All you need: computer, smartphone, reliable internet. Stay professional. I've completed the task as requested. Please advise if revisions are needed. Thank you. Hit the payout minimum quickly, then cash out. Don't let earnings sit. Monetize micro moments, waiting rooms, commutes, breaks. Your first dollar can arrive in just a few hours. Many get stuck asking questions to avoid starting. Let's get clear. These are the last barriers between you and your first dollar today. A good enough plan today beats a perfect plan next week. Q. How much can I make today? A. It depends on your method and effort. Realistic target: $20 to $100 in a single day. A few lunch deliveries could net $30. One or two mid-value items, like a console or jacket, can bring $50 to $100 plus. Pick one method and go all in for a few hours. Q. Do I need special skills or equipment? A. Absolutely not. Selling items needs only a phone. Local gigs need your time. Micro tasks need basic computer literacy. No degree, certification, or expensive gear required. Even with no car and an old phone, offer walkable services. Use a library to post offers. If you own nothing to sell, list items for others for a commission. Resourcefulness is your greatest currency. We covered 5 ways. No more excuses. Now it's about doing. The gap is bridged by a single small action. Theory is over. Practice begins. That first dollar changes how you see yourself. You don't need perfect conditions. Pick one, just one method. Maybe list a book on Marketplace. Or offer one neighborhood service. Or sign up for one delivery app. Here's your 10-minute plan. Set a timer now. In 10 minutes, either list one item, post one service, complete one sign-up, or finish one micro task. Create momentum. Stop thinking. Stop planning. Stop hesitating. Start now.